Hi there, I'm Tom Munro of Munro Home Inspections. I'm on an inspection today of a $2.6 million home in White Rock, British Columbia. I want to show you what I found up on the roof and why it's so important to have your own independent home inspector inspect that home before you buy it so your home won't leak like this one will. Let me show you. So up on this roof, we've got numerous plumbing stack penetrations coming up through the roof. The roof itself has been installed and they've done a great job. You see there's no roof vents, but they don't need it because they got spray foam insulation underneath here. But these plumbing stacks are also an area where moisture can get in your home. This one stack here is the only stack that I found that's actually done properly, been installed properly. When you look, that black pipe is sticking up out of the pipe. And this little cap counter flashing, that little horseshoe shape inside there, what it does when it pushes on, you actually push it on, and it seals at the very top of the pipe so no water can get down in between the pipe and the metal wall. This is the actual main plumbing stack of the whole house, and as I look down you can see the reflection. That reflection is moisture, and that moisture is going to get between the metal and the plastic ABS pipe because this pipe wasn't installed to the proper height. Numerous pipes over here are also installed wrong. This one here, again, you look down inside the pipe, you can see the pipe is not installed properly to the right length. Take that off, you can see, again, it's another place where moisture is going to get in. This one right here, moisture is going to get between that pipe, the black pipe and the metal pipe, sorry. This one here, unfortunately, and over here. So I just want to tell you that this has all been inspected by the city inspectors and passed, and all of these penetrations except for that one over there are going to leak into this home. So clearly this is why you should be hiring your own independent certified home inspector to inspect that brand new home for you before you buy it. 7 out of the 8 plumbing stack penetrations will leak into this home and will cause considerable damage over the long term, something my client spending $2.6 million is not going to want to have to live with in the future. If you have any friends and family looking to buy a home in the greater Vancouver area, pass along my contact information. I'm Tom Munro of Munro Home Inspections. With MHI, it's certified.